is a Rubbermaid glass. They call it storage pans or a cake. I call it a cake pan. I use this in the oven. It's also for storage. I purchased this not realizing just how nice it actually was. I needed to replace an old 8x8 cake pan with the plastic lid. The lid fell apart. It was old, stained, dirty, and so I wanted to get something quality because I use it a lot. And I splurged and bought this Rubbermaid, and I really like it. This is the 8-cup size. It comes in a lot of different sizes. If I get any more, I'm definitely going with this brand. I liked the lid because it was clear. That's kind of why I purchased it. But what I didn't realize is these lids actually have like a rubber seal, and it has the clamps that hook down. So when you put this on, it clamps down and it is not going anywhere. It's just a super nice pan. I use it for cake. This is an apple cake that I have in here. I've used it for like baking. What did I bake? I baked some chicken in it. I baked fish in it. So it's good for all kinds of stuff. It's also good just for storage. They call it a storage container, but it's Rubbermaid glass cake pan. Definitely highly recommend it. Definitely will be getting more.